You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to change the phone number on your Gmail account. First, open any web browser on your computer or phone and go to myaccount.google.com. Log into the Google account for which you want to update the phone number. Once logged in, look on the main dashboard for the personal info section and click on it on the next page. Scroll down until you find the contact info panel, then click on the option labeled phone. Here you will see any phone number currently listed for your account. To add a new number, click on the Add a Recovery Phone Number option. A new field will appear. Carefully enter your new, correct phone number including the country code. Choose how you want this number to be used, typically for account recovery and security alerts. Google will now send a verification code via a text message to this new number. Retrieve that code, enter it into the verification box on your screen, and click Verify. Your new phone number is now successfully added and linked to your Gmail. To remove an old number, simply click on it and select the Delete option. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.